How to text people or send messages on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can text people or send messages on TikTok. TikTok is a free platform where you can make videos, post them and save it. But do you know that you can direct text people and chat on TikTok? Well, today I'll guide you on how you can do this. Firstly, open TikTok. Here on the screen you can find an inbox option. Go there and here you can find all your chats, all your new notifications. Now, if you want to text a certain someone, tap on the profile and you will be able to direct message them. Now, if you can't find someone here, you can simply go to home and tap on search button. Here you can search any profile or your friends that you want to text. Now, remember that if the person has not followed you back or even if he has followed you back, you can only direct message them depending on the privacy setting they have set on the account. Now, if I message this, it will show you that you can send up to 3 messages until this user accepts your message request, since he is not following me and is not friend with me. But sometimes you can't message a person because they have turned off their direct message settings on the TikTok. Hope this was useful. Hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.